Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily chat in any of the meetings with any of the users that are in the meeting on Google Meet. First of all, go to the App Store, Play Store and search for the Google Meet. If you haven't already downloaded the app, just download the app first and make sure that it is updated to its latest version. After that, click open and open up the app. Once you open it up, once you start a meeting, there will be a chat going on where you can just easily type something and send it to the whole group chat. All the members in the meeting will have the access to see what is in the chat. Or if you want to send to even a single person in that meeting, just click on that person three dots that will appear on the top right corner of their screen, and from there you can just easily go to message and you can just message them alone where no one else can see that message. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.